So welcome friends, and let's talk about the functions. So what are the functions? These are the group of statements that can perform some operations and may return result. You can say it's like an algorithm because nobody is going to calculate 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 every time. So what we can do, we can create a module or we can create a function. Actually, we can create a functions that is a ready-made piece of code, and you can call this function anywhere from the code. So these are the reusable piece of code that can be called anywhere from the code. And the definition of the functions means how you can define a functions. The syntax are you need to use the def keyword and then the function names, and you can pass some parameters. Here is an example of an area of rectangles where you can calculate the area of rectangle by passing some parameters. You can also have a return type if you want. So here you can see we are using an area of rectangles with some executable code, and asking user for an input of a width and length, and we are calling the function. Same way, suppose in the parameter, suppose if you want to give a parameter a default value, you can use a default parameter functions where one or more than a parameter may have a default value. Same here in this example. So this is about functions, and then we will talk about the lambda expressions. Thanks for watching this tutorial.